So first of all, here's a laptop bag and you can already see the ASUS TUF branding on it, and let's open it. So inside we have the bunch of accessories that really helps to improve my workflow, and let's check them out one by one. So first we have a Bajaj extension board which helps me connect multiple plugs easily. Next we have got the Portronics Bubble Dog keyboard, and then the Portronics mouse, and of course the laptop charger, which is honestly quite heavy. And yes, finally here it is. It is the laptop reveal. This is the ASUS TUF A15. Just look at it, yeah. It looks so gorgeous. Oh, so you will notice the solid plastic build and the ASUS logo right in the center. And this laptop is powered by Ryzen 7 HX processor, which comes with an RTX 3050 graphic card with 4 GB VRAM, which is already tells you this machine is built for performance. Since this is a gaming focused laptop, it definitely have a strong gaming look. So let's move the accessories aside and take a closer look. Now, the first accessory I want to show you is the Ant eSport RGB mouse pad. Yeah, it's clean, minimal, and yes, it has a RGB lighting, which I will show you in a moment. So a good mouse pad is actually very important for any setup, especially if you are working or gaming for long hours. Along with that, we obviously have the mouse and the Bubble Dog keyboard. I have used this keyboard before, so it's not a new, but trust me, using external keyboard with a Windows laptop makes a huge difference. So now let's open the laptop and just look at how aesthetic it looks. Yeah, honestly, it feels totally worth of money. So let's power it on. And here's the Windows home screen, and I have customized it a bit by adding some UI mods and visual elements to make it look cleaner and more aesthetic. So you get an RGB backlit keyboard, which is I obviously love, and I really enhance the overall user experience. So the display comes with 250 nits of brightness, which is actually quite good for daily use. And now it's time to turn on the RGB mouse pad. I will connect it via USB, and here we go. Look at this, yeah. You can change the color of both the backlit like keyboard and mouse pad RGB completely based on your preference. So this is the final setup, and I honestly love it. This laptop makes my work more productive. I can easily handle my project, studies and other tasks without any issues. Huge thanks for ASUS to making this amazing machine. If you like this video, make sure you like and share it. So I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.